There's the kitchen, and here is the amazing views from the living room and the kitchen, and also from the master bedroom. We've got a gas fireplace. This is vaulted in the living room. Right here is the master bedroom and a huge closet. And then we've got a nice big master bath. It's going to have a gorgeous gray marble slab for the countertops and the tub surround. Here's the entrance and another bedroom here. I'll head downstairs. And we just got downstairs and you'll find a full bath. And here's another huge bedroom. Probably bigger than the master. And this big open space for whatever you feel like doing. Another huge bedroom. And back there's the mechanical room. You get to it from the other side, and the washer and dryer is right there as well. Come check it out.